Got him. Got him, y'all. Yeah, big boy. Ho ho. Look at him.
Look at them, boy. My son that got him a crappie. Oh, yeah. Snatcher style. He going in the pot.
Perfect. Biggest one yet. Snatcher record, y'all. Oh my goodness.
Big boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Ho ho. Ho ho. Get him in here. Get him in here. Get him in here. Get in here, boy.
Say hello. Say hello. Snatcher style. Big boy, I can't get into the camera.
I caught an alligator. Snatcher style. Yeah, I see him.
Snatcher fam, what's up? It's your bro, back again with another video. You know how I give it up. Headed down here to this water again to see what I can make happen. Yeah, I can't stay out the water. How many of y'all got that problem? Shout out to everybody that's been getting in the comment sections, man, and rocking with your bro, leaving tips, leaving suggestions. I appreciate all y'all. I appreciate the whole Snatcher family, man. If you're trying to be part of the Snatcher fam, all you gotta do is like, comment, share, subscribe. Simple. Yeah. Do that and we'll get to it. I got a long journey ahead of me today. I'm looking for a new spot and new location that I may have on the radar. Now, depending on how many people are down there, it's going to say whether or not we're going to fish down there. Or do I move on to another spot, which I may have already fished. The goal is to catch fish either way. And y'all know the fish snatcher. I catch fish. I snatch fish. That's right. Get it right. Snatcher man. Yeah. Hope y'all been doing well out there. Hope everybody's peaceful. Hope life is peaceful. I know it's crazy times right now. Make sure y'all got your faith right. Make sure y'all believe in the right thing. Follow the right things. And listening to the right things. Not only that, make sure y'all putting the right kind of energy out here in this world. I'm not here to preach to y'all today. Just gonna give you some snatcher advice. My plan is, y'all ready for this? It's to do some artificial fishing. That's right. I'm thinking about trying some artificial baits. And I may make this whole video about that. Shout out to my Snatcher fam, Andrew, Michigan Fishing, for suggesting that. Great suggestion, bro. I may give it a try today, maybe in this video, may not be. Not gonna lie. We're gonna see what the water looks like. The water gotta talk to me. And you know, I'm picking up some trusty, dusty nightcrawlers. That's how it goes down. What's the purpose of going fishing without trusty, dusty nightcrawler? No purpose to me. So I think I'm gonna pick up a couple of tubs. What do you call those things? You call them tubs, cases, and out of box. But you know what I mean. I'm gonna call it, I don't know what to call them, but I'm gonna call them just trusty, dusty night crawlers. Y'all know what they come in like. Usually, that's another question. Usually when I buy night crawlers, they come in packs of 12. I don't know if they come in any larger packs than that. I can get the baby night crawlers or the red worms in packs as 24. But the night crawlers, the trusty dusty night crawlers, the big fat ones, I'll get them in packs of 12. Another note, I may have to stop by my trusty dusty night crawler spot because I'm going kind of that way. I gotta pass my spot to get to this new location. And I don't know what's in that area over there. So I'm thinking I need to pick up my worms before I even get there. I may do that. We'll see. Let me think.
Let's go. Catch me in them fisherman hats, rocking cannons, kid, new improved nights on, flying through Atlanta, kid, lounging.
Let me quit playing with y'all before I get y'all started up here. Yeah, we're gonna have a snatcher party. Yeah, shout out to Ray, man. Dope dude, man. I go back to my childhood on that one, man. Without telling my age, you already know. But school days was popping. Music was a little different then. The atmosphere was a little different then. The snatcher was still snatching fish, but in a different way then. I wasn't really like daily with it like I am now. The older I got, the more patience I developed, the more I started to enjoy going fishing more. Like I enjoyed it before, but just to go every day is something I couldn't do back then. Now, if I have the opportunity, I go every single day. If I was closer to the water, no joke, I think I would fish every single day, even though I gotta go to work. After work, I will fish, or before work, one of the two. And right now, for this new location, I'm traveling an hour away. Can't do that every day, you know? Not when you got other things to do and it's so far away, you know? I appreciate all God has given me. Thank you for my blessings, you know? But while I got this opportunity to get out here, I'm gonna see what I can make happen, man. Yeah, it's a nice day, a little warm today, but it's been hot. I'm sure y'all been dealing with some heat. I'm not the only one, right? Y'all been dealing with some heat too, I bet. It's hot out here. If it's not hot, it's raining. Miss Snatcher bought me a rain suit, a fisherman's rain suit, so I can go out here in the rain. I think I might have figured out a way to put my camera gear out there too. I might do a video like that one day. The only thing is the audio. There won't be, I know how to record, there won't be any audio. Or the audio may be sounding funny. It's like a GoPro. When you put the waterproof case on it, you don't have audio, right? I may be wrong on that one. Yeah, this is what, I got a fake GoPro. Actually, I'm charging it up right now. To be honest with you, I wasn't sold on the GoPro because the battery life. Like if I can get one, like I might be fishing for like hours, man. And I know I can take extra batteries with me and change batteries and all that. I know I can do that. But I'd rather just, you know, have a device that the battery lasts as long as I need it to. I don't have to change batteries and all that. So when GoPro makes something like that, I may spend the money they're asking for to get one. They're not cheap, even though I enjoy making these videos. I'm not to the point where I can spend that kind of money on camera equipment. Yeah. I'm still trying to get my fishing gear up. Yeah. I gotta take baby steps, you know, one step at a time. You know, get my fishing gear together first, then get my camera gear together. You know, I always try to improve my camera gear and give you good quality. Hopefully the quality is pretty good for y'all. I might can make it a little better some kind of way. Like, you know, get my dead cat. Those of y'all that know what that is. Some of y'all probably bugging out saying, why you want a dead cat for? For instance, you won't hear all this air conditioning I got blowing right now. When I'm out there by the water, you won't hear all that wind. But you know, those are little adjustments that will come soon. You know, as I continue to grow and as I continue to get bigger, Snatcher family continues to share me out to help your bro grow. That's the mission, man. We all should be on a mission together right now. The mission should be help your bro grow. If you ain't shared your bro out yet, what you waiting for? Share me out, man. Tell somebody to subscribe to the Snatcher, man. Somebody, you know somebody, you got a friend, you got a family member, you got a bunch of friends, you got a bunch of family members. They're not your real friends or family members if they don't listen to you. Friends and family help each other out, right? So I need the Snatcher fam to help your bro grow. Simple as that. And vice versa. Y'all know how to get in contact with me. Let me know what you need from me. If I can do it, I'll be honest with you. That's the difference between people today. They're not honest anymore. Sometimes I'm too honest. It gets me in trouble. Yeah.
Perfect.
Snatcher fam, I made it here to get the trusty dusty nightcrawlers. Yeah, you already know. I'm gonna go in here and see what they got. Looks like International Biker Day out here or something. There's a lot of people out here riding motorcycles and stuff. Hopefully where I'm going ain't too packed. We're gonna see what it is. Let me get in here and get these worms real quick. I'll be right back.
12 seconds later.
Got the nightcrawlers in hand. Now let's see if we can get to the water. It's looking real active out here. Just put the seatbelt on. You know you gotta ride with safety, man. Make sure you're out there riding with your seatbelts. It's crazy out here. There go the popo, y'all. Yeah. Well, I was saying though, it's looking real active out here today. I don't know if this new location is gonna be able, I'm gonna be able to fish it or not. Yeah, they're already watching me crazy out here, man. Like they never seen the original one. Snatcher, the original one, yeah. Well, yeah, I'm trying to make my way to this water. I don't think I'm far now. I'm pretty close. Going by the GPS.
Continue on Old Highway 268 for half a mile.
I heard that. I said go for a half a mile. And we're gonna see where we get to from there. She's gonna start talking and interrupting me. So I'm gonna catch her after she's done. I'll holler at y'all in a minute.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto State Road 11.
Snatcher fam made it here to the water. Yeah. It's a little shaky out there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to let y'all see how it goes down, but I'm headed down here now. Let me get out these people's way. We're gonna try to see what it do out here. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. It's on this little shaky type of dock there. The camera won't stay still. Let's see if there's something in here today. It's hot. Wish me luck. That's what it looked like. Yeah. New bait, y'all. New spot, new location, new bait. It's the Going Green team. Whatever it feel like something small. Babies. Got him, y'all. Oh, look at that little baby. Baby bluegill. Y'all see him?
Catch anything?
Just that little bluegill.
Just a little bluegill?
Yeah.
Well, at least you got a little tug, right?
Yeah, I just got here, though. You know, hopefully there's something bigger in there.
Hope so.
I think I got a good one on there. He ran up under something, though. See if he work himself free. Yeah. He feel like a good one, though. We're gonna leave him there for a second while I work on this one. Broke me off, y'all. Well, I broke myself off on that one. You see that? I would have felt like a good one. But he ran me up under some kind of debris. I think that might be the money spot. I don't know if y'all can see that. I might have found the money spot. Bunch of baby bluegills. I'll bring that to you if you want them. Hey, little babies. Cut bait. Tons of babies. Yeah. Oh boy, I caught a sockfish, y'all. Man, freaking sockfish, man. Somebody done lost their sock in the water. Feels like I'm on a boat. I don't know if y'all seen that. Bunch of little babies all over here. Look at there. Another baby bluegill. Yeah. Snatcher style. If this was a bluegill competition, I'd be killing them. Another baby bluegill. I may have to start putting these little guys in the pot, man. What y'all think? They keep getting on the hook. We're gonna fry them up. Snatcher style. I need them, honestly, I need them just a little bit bigger before they can go in the pot, though. I don't know if y'all can see these worms. Never caught them before. Brand new trusty dusty worms. So far so good, got no complaints. But can y'all see that? Let me get my hand behind it where I can see it good. Look at there, y'all. Them things got green juice coming out of them. And the fish seem to like it. These fish is gonna be blown when I'm done with them. Snatcher style. Just to see if anything's out of the fog. Play with these little while we play with these little ones. There you go. Told you I'd catch that boy. Keep playing with me, he get got. Yeah. Look at the green worm, y'all. I'm willing to bet just like me, this is a lot of y'all's first time seeing a lime green nightcrawler. See that? He wants to play. I want to make him famous. He wants to play. Got him. Decent. He going in the pot, y'all. Yeah. Snatcher style. He is going in the pot. Y'all see him? Yeah. Yeah, bro. That was a decent one. That was a decent one. That one's for my wife. She asked for a bluegill, I got him. We're gonna eat him. Catch a few more like him to eat. Y'all see me? Yeah, Snatcher style. He's not quite big enough for the pot. I might have found a new trusty dusty worm, y'all. I might have found a new trusty dusty worm. This is the only place I've ever seen these worms at. Shout out to them. But they definitely work. I caught about 70 fish already, man. A lot of babies, but I have fun catching them too. Definitely caught some fish today. But you know, the Snatcher don't get skunked. It's called bait and tackle chartreuse nightcrawlers. They chartreuse nightcrawlers, y'all. Y'all see that? Chartreuse nightcrawlers, yeah. Let's see what a chartreuse nightcrawler do for y'all non-believers out there. Y'all gonna want some of these after y'all see what it do. I mean, you throw it in the water, set it, and forget it. Snatcher style. Yeah. Set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. Yeah. Snatcher style. Chartreuse nightcrawlers, y'all. Trusty, dusty chartreuse nightcrawlers. Yeah. All right, how y'all doing?
Got anything?
Bunch of babies.
Bunch of babies?
Yeah. Little baby.
Perfect.
Yeah.